and breaches. Where the digital hits the physical, we take the red pill, we break the seal. Infallible security, making it real. Bharat Mattaparti on the mic tonight. Turning the darkness into light.
Let's look deeper at the AWS incident. Following the Epic Fury strikes, retaliatory drones physically struck and destroyed 2 AWS data centers located in the UAE and Bahrain. I need to emphasize the mechanics here. This was not a distributed denial of service attack. This was not a sophisticated firewall breach using stolen credentials. This was high explosive ordnance physically destroying the silicon, steel, and fiber optics hosting the region's digital economy. The immediate result was cascading regional outages for thousands of local businesses and financial institutions that relied on that specific availability zone. This brings us to a critical realization and our next red pill insight. The cloud is a physical target. For 2 decades, we have operated under the comforting abstraction of the cloud. We imagine our data floating ethereally, immune to physical problems. But the cloud is just someone else's computer sitting inside a highly visible physical warehouse. Adversaries have realized a terrifying, simple truth. You do not need to spend millions of dollars developing complex zero-day exploits to bypass advanced AES 256 encryption. You can completely bypass digital encryption if you simply destroy the physical building housing the decryption keys and hard drives. Think of the climax of Star Wars Rogue One. The Rebel Alliance desperately needs architectural plans stored in a secure digital vault protected by an impenetrable energy shield. Unable to digitally breach the network from space, the rebels must mount a physical ground assault to manually extract the data. We are seeing the Rogue One scenario play out in modern warfare. When digital shields are too fortified, adversaries simply attack the physical servers. How do we build resilience? The answer is the uncompromising embrace of multi-region redundancy. If your business continuity plan relies on a single geographic region, you are actively accepting kinetic risk on your balance sheet. True resilience requires shifting to true active-active architectures. By ensuring that workloads are actively balanced and can instantaneously fail over to a data center thousands of miles away, we render the physical destruction of a single facility a temporary routing inconvenience.
This is Bytes, Borders and Breaches.